If there is one question I almost get daily on this channel is people asking how to get into IT without any degree. Well, I talk with a lot of recruiters in the industry almost on daily basis as part of my role. And also I have been talking to a lot of stakeholders over the period of this last 10 years here in Sydney, Australia. So here is my take on this. If you are looking to get into any IT role, whether it is an operational IT role or it is software development, cybersecurity, or any, I believe the starting point should be a level 1 support role, and that seems to be an obvious starting point for anyone, especially if you are not getting any responses. I would suggest that you go and do at minimum foundation level certs or certifications in the area you are looking to work. For example, MS 900, AZ 900 or SC 900, and there are similar certifications to these. Once you have completed them, start working on the more specialized certifications. For example, if your interest is in cloud, and if you know which cloud, go with that cloud certification like AWS certification, GCP certification. If you are interested in databases, then do the certification accordingly. And then also same goes for networking. You can also self-study them. The examinations are not especially expensive, and it shows you are taking proactive steps to get into the industry. Aside from certifications, your employment history to date is important. Experience in customer facing roles like retail and fast food is highly regarded. Support roles are fundamentally customer service positions. Make sure your CV is to a high standard. That is free of spelling errors, has a nice layout, current contact information, and you have a LinkedIn profile, and you are using a reasonably professional email address on your CV. Also, make sure that you have your social media presence in a professional way. Recruiters will look at your Facebook page and anything else which they can find. Given that sorry, given that most people recruiting will phone you to either conduct a pre-interview phone screen or invite you to an interview, ensure you are answering your phone return calls promptly when you cannot, and you answer in a professional manner. Make sure your voicemail message is also up to scratch. When you get an interview, ensure you turn up on time, dress professionally, which should be clean, pressed dress pants and collared shirt, dress shoes in a good condition. Also, make sure to research the company and be prepared with some questions of your own. Lots has been written by others in this space of interviewing, and there are lots of other videos for interviews too on YouTube. So best of luck. It can be done, will be a bit hard, so get ready for some rejections. But if you are persistent, you will get what you want. Thank you very much.